Look at my makeup.
Wow, you look so beautiful. Oh my god.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is ClaireFendy. If you guys are new here, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this nice makeup look. And I did my hair. This video is sponsored by Love Me Hair. Love Me Hair, they sent me their 18-inch water wave hair. I crimped it. I'm gonna show you guys the whole process. So if you guys are interested of seeing this 3-in-1 get ready with me, I'm actually running late right now, so I gotta make this fast. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing this look and this complete look, keep on watching, and I'm gonna see you guys at the end of the videos to see the outfit. See you guys soon. Okay, so boom, this hair, as mentioned before, is sponsored by Love Me Hair. They sent me their HD lace. You guys, this lace was literally like my favorite thing. But this hair is in water wave, is an 18-inch. I love this lace so much. Like, it looks so good. It was so easy to bleach. And yeah, so I'm just going to take my pins and pin the hair bags just to get it out the way so I can see what I'm working with. I like to cut the lace in the middle so I can basically do the arrogante trick. I don't know if you guys seen that video that I uploaded, but I basically do like half of the wig so it could be easier for me to glue down. And yeah. Glue I'm going to be using is the Gummy Lace Glue by Slay Bay. This glue is literally like the best thing ever. I seen Arrogante used it, and ever since then I've been in love with it. It doesn't break my skin out like the Ghost Bond glue. I hate that glue. But you guys, I haven't tried the Hair by Erica J glue yet. Let me know down below if you guys want me to try it and do like a real review on it. So yeah, I'm just going to let it dry and just lay my lace down. Guys, this has been bothering me since I started this video. I did not do a intro showing my makeup, and it's literally bothering me. I made a post on Instagram. You guys said you guys didn't care, so I'm sorry if you guys are new here. It's so unlike me, so I'm so sorry, sis. I like to cut behind my ears so the wig can basically just sit in place, and then I'm just going to let it dry and get my hair wrap that came with the wig, and I'm just going to tie the hair back just to get it out the way. I'm going to get my tweezers and tweeze away. I already pre-tweezed it on a mannequin head, but once it's on your head, you guys see how full it looks. I like to just go back in just to make sure that it's perfect. And then I'm just going to cut the lace, and yeah. To section off my baby hair so I can basically pluck it just to make the front of the hairline a little thinner so it can mimic my real hairline. And then I'm just going to work on the baby hair. I use this curling iron from Amazon. I'm gonna leave a link down below to my Amazon store. It's literally like the best thing ever. I'm so happy that this came out. So yeah. So the spray that I use to do my edges is by Wig Dealer. It's the best spray ever. It holds down the hair perfectly and it doesn't break it off. I find Got to Be Glued to be a little bit too extreme, but the one from Wig Dealer is perfect.
It looks so good, Claire.
Appreciate it.
You got that on recording?
No.
Yeah, it is.
Y'all see how geek I was? But anyway, so I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm just going to do my part. I like to take my mascara and go over it so it can look super sharp and super nice. You can also use the hairspray, but I feel like the mascara just helps. And then I'm going to take my Got to Be Glue and just spray that part so it could just melt into the lace. It's over now, but it's over now. It looks so good, don't it?
You heard me say that.
Okay, so that concludes the hair section. I then went ahead and did some crimps because I felt like I didn't want to keep putting water in my hair. I was going to go out, so yeah. So let's get into the makeup. So I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer to do my brows just to make it look sharp. I mean, some people can just go out and just apply foundation, but I feel like using this concealer that's 2 shades lighter helps the eyebrow pops out. You guys know I don't do my eyebrows on camera, so take advantage.
Bitch sauce, rich bitch cold, got a rich bitch cough. Rich bitch want it, I go rich bitch.
Today I want to do like a little nude eyeshadow color thing with like a hint of pink. So I'm just going to put concealer on my lids so it could just be one shade so the colors can pop. I'll leave a detailed link with everything that I use. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with my Milani primer and I'm just gonna prime my lids so it could just, you know, stick all night. I'm gonna use the palettes from Juvia's Place. I love their eyeshadow so much. The foundation and concealer not so much, but their eyeshadow, y'all see how pigmented it looks? Like the pigment is really strong. Like it looks so nice. I did my eyeliner and everything off camera. I'm going to take my Becca primer to prime my face. This primer is the shit. Like, Honestly, you guys, because I have oily skin and I know I'm going to be out tonight and it's hot, this primer is what is going to help set everything. Like, as soon as you put this primer on and just add a little setting powder on there, is literally like the best thing ever. Next, I'm going to use my Nars Complete. This is their matte foundation. I love this foundation so much. It looks so good. It makes my face look so soft. And yeah, I'm gonna take the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Chestnut. It's literally like my skin complexion. I do this because I have dark circles and I like to make go away, block them, and just so the canvas of the face could look perfect. And then I'm going to take my Nars Radiance Concealer. I'm going to take my Huda Beauty. You guys, this step is where you have to like bear with me because it's so pigmented. So then I'm just going to blend everything together. Notice how I let it sit, so that's important. Then I'm going to do my nose contour. I use the Black Radiance. I'm going a little fast because this is like simple steps. And then I'm going to take my Nars Complete matte concealer and I'm just going to put that under my eyes and on the side of my nose just to bring out the contour. I like a bright under eye. Yeah. So then I'm just going to use my setting powder. This is the Laura Mercier Honey. Literally the best thing ever. Listen, everything I use is the best thing ever. No cap. The Nars bronzer in the shade Quirimba. Just kind of like the Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami. And then I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio palette. And yeah. Look at my makeup.
Wow, you look so beautiful. Oh my god.
Just learned this trick on TikTok. Someone was doing their bottom lashes, but I just use any mascara just to make my eyelashes look long. Okay, so my top is from Pretty Little Thing, bag is from Aldo, shoes is from Fashion Nova, and yeah, jeans, I don't know, I think I got them from the store in Philly. But yeah, that's all, and I'm done.